So freeze damage on Japanese maples. Just about everybody in the tri-state has experienced some sort of freeze damage on a Japanese maple. They look pretty bad right now, but if you're looking close, you should see some new growth coming out below some of the damaged areas. If you look on this screen here, you can see a little bit of new growth coming out. Some of the growth that was damaged still surviving. A lot of leaf desiccation going on, notable, and then stem damage as well. So my advice is to wait a little bit longer, see what kind of new growth we get from lower down on the tree, and then consider pruning. If you have worse damage than this tree, for example, you could take out dead wood in a few more weeks to make sure you're not cutting out live wood. Otherwise, for the time being, let's be patient. We got some warm weather now that's going to really help get new growth coming out, and we'll have a better idea of what's ahead as far as pruning needs. So hang tight and wait a little bit longer before you start really pruning on freeze damaged Japanese maples.